During World War I, the fierce fighting resulted in the French army having shortfalls in all sorts of arms. As the available domestic factories were occupied with the production of rifles and machine guns, and some others were under German control, foreign suppliers were instead sought. Since Spain already had an established firearms manufacturing industry, and is right next door but not involved in the war, they were approached immediately. The French Purchasing Commission selected firm of Gabilondo y Aresti and their Ruby clone of the FN Browning Model 1903 pistol in .32 auto caliber. As the contract almost immediately escalated to 30,000 pieces a month, Gabilondo y Aresti subcontracted to a number of other Basque region manufacturers, including Bonifacio Echeverria Orbia from Hios de Angel Echeverria. A number of variations were produced, mostly involving minor profile changes. Additionally, a number of different barrel lengths were made.